Hello, and welcome to the show that shows you exactly what's inside of your old electronics. This will be a new series I will be starting, and hopefully I'll get some videos out. Today we will be destroying and dismantling the lovely floppy drive. It's from a laptop, Sony, an upside down label, on purpose. No, not really. So we got a 3.5-inch floppy drive, and let's tear it apart. We'll begin by removing the side screws. Trying to get more in it. Should be much better. So now we've got this, and I've never torn this apart before, so I'm in for a complete surprise. And let's hope I know how to get this apart, so I don't have to go back and redo like 15 takes. Keep that in the camera there. I rip things apart on a good constant basis, so I should be able to figure this out pretty easily. Yeah, there. So now we have this thing. Here's the connection to your computer, where it would slide in. Goes to the cable. We can trash that now. And then you got the little ribbon. Then there's this screw, and probably another screw underneath of a warranty sticker of some sort, which this computer's probably a few years out of warranty, just a few, not very many. I don't even know how long ago this was made because it has floppy, but or maybe not. So there's these little clamps here. And then that comes off, and whoa, we've got a little bit of a interesting thing here. So we've got this head here, I'm assuming is a reed head of some sort. Underneath of this thing, you can see there's the motor, maybe kind of, a little bit, hopefully. And you have the ribbon cable attachment here, which just take my screwdriver and pick that thing up. That pops out. I've already shot 4 minutes or so of footage. There's the motor here to move the head back and forth. A little tiny thing there. I assume this moves this back. Yeah, it moves this back and forth slightly. And then this ejects the floppy. Oops. Keep that. Fuck it. I'm tearing it apart anyways. But yeah. Okay, this will eject it if there's a floppy in the drive. If I can find the eject button somewhere, probably in here. There's an eject button or something that will push the eject button or make this thing come out. There. And then that thing comes down, and then you push the eject button, and that locks back in place. Okay. So we got the main workings. So let's find out what's underneath. We got another plethora of screws here. Let's take that one out. Let's just hope that I fast forward this part, because it's weird. Let's hope these are screws to this thing. Should keep some camera open. She's seen things yourself. Fail. Final screw, unless that's the warranty screw, which I've not found one yet. So obviously this drive didn't have a very good warranty, or it had no warranty whatsoever. So there's a LED there, a yellow one, which my camera's white balance is all screwed up for some reason. I have no idea why. This thing won't come up very well. Okay, so then you have the circuit board here, small little one. I have no idea. Whoa. And then this motor isn't very well held in anymore. And it's just spins, yeah. Got a nice little motor there. I have no idea where all the parts are for it though. Seems like that's it. And so that spins pretty good, I guess. I have no idea what I'm talking about right now, but I'm hoping anyone at home will understand this better than I do. People from the floppy disk age, I'm talking about you. First computer I ever had was 10 megabytes of memory, Tandy 1000 RL HD, tiny little hard drive, huge inside because I just killed it, or it died and then I killed it. So I'll take this thing off because it's going to be completely. Sort of grab a bigger screwdriver. Stupid Chinese people can't make decent electronics. Oops. Got a couple little ribbon cables there. If you can see that with my horribly focused camera that will not autofocus. Which I should be using. Oh, the ribbon cables come out on the board, I see. You got all kinds of tools laying around here. Grab the ribbon cable, right out, and whoop, one more, right out, and then you got this little tiny circuit board of some sort with a microchip on it, some sort of a thing, almost looks like a capacitor, but it's wrapped in wire. And you've got looks like a disc capacitor. I'm not sure. It's got a number 100 on it and 10 volts. So it looks like a capacitor, but I'm not sure. And then you've got the motor down here. So just it's attached with the little wire here, so we've got to unscrew this, I guess. I don't know. Then you got a little drill motor thing here that moves the head. Take this screw out and remove the head. Which has some sort of a wire and it's spring loaded. I fear for my life. In hopes that I do not kill myself with the spring-loaded ancient part thing. Oh my god, it's on a rail of some sort. Now I cannot get this rail to move up. Let's hope I cut this down too. I'm going to just up on the rail. Destroy this. Destroy this piece of crap that I'll never use ever again. Unless the plans to the Death Star on a floppy drive. Yeah. Oops. Yeah. Pliers for the win. Okay, there you go. Now we got the head, which is a piece with its own mind. It does not want to come out because it's on a rod of some sort. Gah! Destroy the floppy. Yeah. Let's pull this rod out. Now you got the right reed head thing, I guess. Snappy. Okay. Get a good angle on that and hope it focuses. There we go. Although you can see here, hopefully. My camera is a terrible camera. It will not focus right. So that's about it for a floppy drive. Lovely parts tray here. We'll move that around, and that's been it for the first episode ever of me tearing crap apart.